Hey guys, this is All That and Iron Man Fan Media here, and today I'm going to be doing a 4K Ultra HD unboxing of Thor: The Dark World. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's the 4K Ultra HD. Here's the digital copy. Here's the Disney Movie Club Awards, which I do have The Incredibles 2 and The Lion King on Blu-ray and 4K Ultra HD. I have The Incredibles 2 on Blu-ray and The Lion King on 4K Ultra HD. And I also have Avengers Infinity War on Blu-ray and DVD, and Black Panther on 4K Ultra HD and DVD as well. And here's the Blu-ray. So that's all for this video. Like and subscribe, and this is me signing out.